Real nice mod. It's a good aesthetic mod. Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your man Wox Official, and in today's video, we're about to change the front end on the Mustang. What? Wait, how? No, we're not actually changing it, but we're about to make it look a little more aggressive. Now what I did, how I'm doing this, I ordered a part from Anchor Room, I think it's from. I'll put the name and link in the description to their website or whatever. But what that is, it's a strip that basically blacks out and makes it an amber delete on your headlights. So we know how the headlights look on the Mustangs. They don't really, I'm not a fan of them. You guys may like them, I don't like it too much. So we're gonna black that out. We already got the black accent package. It's supposed to look real good on the Mustang.
Oh yeah, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe too. I like that. Go ahead, do that.
Yep, guys, so we're about to put this on. This is the driver's side, since you see all of it goes right there, and this is the direct cut, so it covers the whole part right there. So what I'm gonna do is wet this up, make sure this is nice and wet. We did wash the car, that's why I'm putting it on, because we washed it already. Make sure you have a clean surface. So now I'm just peeling this off here. And really we're just doing this so we spray that soapy water on so we can move it around a bit. Oh wow. I know you heard that. It's not moving around so much. That's what would help with having a squeegee, but use what you got, and that's what we're doing. Pretty good. I like it. I'm satisfied with that. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let's look over on this one, the passenger side that's not done. This one isn't done, but I think it looks more aggressive. What's up guys? So we got it done. Finished the headlights. Shout out to my pops for recording for me. And look at these. Aggressive, that's what we want, baby. We got the black accent package, black wheels, black 5.0 badge, and the black roof with the black spoiler. Got a whole lot of black going on, but ooh boy, looking good, real aggressive. That's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. It's your man Wo, and I'm out.
Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run.